Hey everyone, so today I'll be showing you how to make these super beginner friendly hair tie organizers. So let's get right into it. Okay, so for this tutorial you're going to be needing scissors, a crochet hook, needles, and of course yarn. Firstly, you want to make a magic ring. To make a magic ring, you just hold the yarn like this, go over your fingers, go under it, and then make a cross. Now take it to the other side, so you have two lines. Grab your hook, go under the first one, over the second one, and then pull through. Now you can just do a chain to attach it, but we're going to go straight into the chain 2. So yarn over, pull through, that's one chain, yarn over, pull through, 2 chains. Next you want to do 3 treble crochets. So to do a treble crochet, yarn over 2 times, so you have 3 loops on your hook, then go into the magic ring, pull through a loop, and then pull through 2 loops, then yarn over, pull through another 2 loops, and then finally yarn over, pull through another 2 loops. So it should look something like this. Then we're going to do 2 more, so yarn over twice, into the magic ring, yarn over, pull through, then yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Your second treble crochet. Let's do one last one. There you go. Next you want to do 3 double crochets. So now you just yarn over once, go into magic ring, yarn over, pull through, then yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. It should be noticeably shorter than the treble crochets. Now do this 2 more times, yarn over, into magic ring, yarn over, pull through, then yarn over, pull through 2, and then yarn over, pull through 2. Last time. There you go. That's one side of the heart. Next you want to do 2 chains. So to do a chain you just yarn over, then pull through, yarn over, pull through. Now you want to repeat what you did on this side. So do 3 double crochets, yarn over, into the magic ring, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. 2 more times. Then just like the other side, you want to do 3 treble crochets. So yarn over 2 times, into magic ring, that's one treble crochet, two treble crochets, and 3 treble crochets. Now you just want to chain 2, 1 and 2, tighten this up a little bit, and then you can go into the magic ring and just do a slip stitch. So it's just same as a single crochet, except you don't yarn over, you just go straight through, and just tighten it up, and take a hook out just for now, and then tighten it by this loose string. You just pull it, and it should tighten up and give you this lovely little heart. Now put your hook back in, and you want to chain 20. There you go. Now you want to count to the 11th stitch on the chain from the top. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So it's this stitch right here. Just insert a hook into the top loop only. And then you want to yarn over, pull through, and just make a slip stitch. Now you want to slip stitch all the way from here, all the way to the base, to make like the cord. So I made it to the very end, and now I know it looks a bit like off right here, but don't worry about it for now. Now you just want to cut it. I'd say 5 centimeters to 10 centimeters is enough. And you can put it out. So grab the needle and let's thread the one that we just cut first. And then what you want to do, I found this makes it look a lot better. So you want to go straight into the middle of the heart, like this. And just put tight. And if you're concerned about like the string, don't worry, it's going to disappear. And now that you've got it through, you can just sew it in, like weave it in whichever way you want. And then weave it in here. And then do the same for the other end. Like this. Now I just want to cut the ends. And there you go. You can just shape it round, put it up, and you see like that thing's gone now. And yeah. There you go. Thank you so much guys for watching, this means a lot to me. Please leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time.